Try it yourself. Adding effects to animations. The new easing functionality in jQuery UI can also be applied to the jQuery animation method. Using the different easing options, you can alter the effect of the animation through varying the rate that the transition occurs. One of the best examples of this is to apply a bounce transition to an animation that alters the position of an element. In this try-it-yourself exercise, we'll apply several animation effects to the movement of an image. The image is a simple ball that moves around the screen when clicked. At the final position, the ball hits a needle and pops using an explode effect. The purpose of this example is for you to see how the effects apply to the animation process. The code for this example is in the Hour 18 folder. The files are named Hour 1804. We have our 1804.html loaded into our web browser here. We see two images, that of a ball and that of a pin. When we click the ball, it'll move around the web page with varying speed, illustrating the easing functions. At the end, it should hit the needle and disappear. Let's give that a try right now. I've clicked the ball in a very fluid way. It's moving around the screen, and then boom, it hits the needle and then disintegrates, as you see on the screen now. It's a pretty cool effect, wouldn't you agree? In the Hour 1804.html file, we can see in lines 13 and 14 the image attributes with an ID of ball and needle, respectively. The images are in the Books Code Listings image folder, ball.png and needle.png if you want to use those. The image elements are set to fixed positioning so that their movement can be animated by changing the CSS position, as you can see here in the Hour 1804.css file. In the JavaScript file, in lines 1 through 6, we have the coords array. This array provides positioning coordinates and easing function names that will be used by the click handler. In the ready function, we have a click handler to the ball. Those are lines 14 through 16. Up in line 7, we have the reposition click handler. This function will pop off a coordinate and use the values in an animate call that will animate moving the ball. The easing value is set using the easing attribute of the coord object. Notice that the callback handler loops back to the reposition function. When there are no more coordinates left, an explode effect is applied to the ball.